Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. I hope you all still remember this hair clipper. Very small. When I bought it, I received it without box. So I wrote to them and they now send me another clipper with box. So this is the new box now. As you can see, I love my boxes. But today, we're not gonna talk about this hair clipper. We're gonna talk about this one. Again, I ordered. It wasn't written that you can choose if maybe with box or without box. So I thought it also with box. And I received it. I now find out that all their clippers is without boxes. So let's unbox this hair trimmer. Alright. So here we go. This is Kemei 1943. So nothing else inside. The usual stuff, oil and 3 guide combs with little brush. Okay, and charging cable. And it's a USB type C. Okay. This is the hair trimmer. I bought it just because of this one, because I was looking for hair trimmer that will fit with this one. And before I bought this hair trimmer, I bought this one, and this blade didn't fit on this one, so then I ordered me this one, which is good and looks good, but the RPM I don't really like. Got a USB type C charging, and hair trimmer with a model number 1943. So this trimmer on their website, it's written got 5 watts, 3 hours charging time, and 180 minutes operating time with 2000 milliamp battery inside, and got LCD display. So power button is here, so you need to twist. See that? You can easily put this one out. So, and Walty white blade fits on this one. Yes, Walty white blade fits on this one. And this blade you cannot zero gap. You see that? You cannot zero gap it. But it is really sharp. And you see that it is also zero gapped, and it is sharp, so you don't need to change the blade. It is sharp, but I like to put this blade on it. I like to put this blade on it. So let's make a sound check. For me, this is a home use hair trimmer, because the power button is down here. I would have preferred maybe it's up somewhere here or side or something like that. But here you need two hands, one to hold it and the other one to twist. If it's somewhere here, you just need one hand here or here, which I prefer. Let's make an RPM test. It is very, very low. So that's it for today, and yeah,